Hey y'all, the brand new show You Are Wonderfully Made is coming out. Yahoo! In fact, the premiere date is right at the end of this video. Yahoo! But before that, our producer has some sound effects that they want the models and I to do. So let's check that out, see how we do. Chicken?
Chicken?
Whose idea was this?
What noise do they go back? Ba-back, ba-back.
Get someone else to do that, because I'm not gonna do that.
Back, back, back.
Glad we're done with that.
That's all I got. Car horn? Honk honk. Honk honk.
Honk.
That sounds like a dirt bike. I don't even know what that sounds like.
Alright, next. Oh, that was the last one. Yes. We're done.